Welcome to Heitt Estates Subdivision by Findo Homes and Communities, located minutes from Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport and moments from shopping and entertainment. Located in Fayette County award-winning school district, this covenant community features large common areas, walking trails, and over 10 acres of conservation area, with homes built on over 1-acre lots. For over 13 years, we have been providing the finest in affordable new custom home living to families all across the metro Atlanta. Our commitment to quality, value, and integrity is the underlying foundation upon which we were built, and this commitment continues to guide us to this day. Please contact us so we can design and build the affordable home of your dreams.